Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. As you know, we posted a video a couple days ago and talked about Argent Wallet's NFT campaign. To get the first NFT, all you have to do is to make a basic transaction on Starknet. I showed you how you can make simple swap transactions on Starknet to get your first NFT. And today I will show you how you can get the second NFT from Argent Wallet. But before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel because there will be 8 NFTs in total. And I feel like the Starknet airdrop is coming. So with that said, let's just jump straight into our video. Now, obviously, today we will use Argent Wallet for the transactions. If you don't have an Argent Wallet or don't know how to use it, make sure to watch our Argent Wallet tutorial video from the top right corner and then start watching this video. Now, as you can see, Argent posted this tweet showing us how we can get our second NFT. Now, when we scroll down, it asks us to play the Starkfighter game. Now, I already showed in this video how you can play the Starkfighter game to get 1 Ethereum. But normally you would have to pay nearly $20 to get a Starknet ID and to be able to play this game. But Argent came up with this website. All you have to do is to pay for the transaction fee and you will get yourself a Starknet domain. And this domain will allow you to play the game. All you have to do is to open this website. As always, you will find all the links in the description box below. Type down the name you'd like to purchase. For example, let's write down Coin Engineers. And then click on register your Explorer Stark. After waiting like nearly 10 minutes, you will see your domain right here. As you can see, mine is achilles.explorer.stark. After purchasing your domain, open up starkfighter.xyz, and as I said, you will find all the links in the description box below of this video. Then just hit play, and then play the game as best as you can. As you can see, there's a timer on the top left corner. So as I said, you'll just have to play this game as best as you can. And as you can see, it says you die, you want to play again. Now, because of the fact that I did 36 seconds as my high score, it doesn't ask me to save the score by posting a tweet. If you'd like to see how it works, as I said, you can watch our Starkfighter video from the top right corner. But all you have to do is to play the game as best as you can and then saving your score by posting a tweet at the end of the game. And that's all you have to do to be eligible for the second NFT. And as I said, we will be making videos about how you can get all 8 NFTs over the upcoming 8 weeks. And also, Bravos Wallet is running a campaign just like this. I recommend you to watch that video from the top right corner too. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.